How to import your property listing from Airbnb to Booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're going to explain on how to create a listing on Booking.com from scratch. So however, an easier approach is to first set up an Airbnb account and then import your property details into Booking.com. So Airbnb's interface is more user-friendly, making the import process much simpler. So now let's walk you through the steps on my PC. Keep in mind that when you manage your property on Booking.com, you should use the admin panel at admin.booking.com. Since we are adding a new property, so we'll use join.booking.com. Once you've created your listing on Airbnb, the only thing you need is the link to your property. Copy that link. Now to list your property, select list your property option. Then I'm going to click on entire place, click on continue, click on vacation home or anything according to your preference. Click on continue again, go through on-screen instructions. Again, click on continue. Now when asked where else your property is listed, choose Airbnb. Now paste the link that you copied earlier. Click on apply and all the details such as property name, description, facilities, amenities, house rules, host profile, and photos will be imported automatically. Next, give your property a name and enter the address, and you will see that all the descriptions and the photos from Airbnb has been imported, so there is no need to add anything manually at this point. So finally, set your price, for example, 1,000 euros per night, and that's it. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.